This guided meditation is designed to help you relax and drift off into peaceful sleep. Before we begin, find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down in peace and quiet. Take a few breaths. Inhale through your nose, hold for 1 second, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Now, close your eyes and bring your awareness to the present moment, to the sensation of being here and now. Feel the ground beneath you. Observe any sensations that come up without judgment and simply be aware of them. Allow yourself to travel deeply within yourself, beyond the physical boundaries of this body and into the depths of inner peace. Imagine yourself in a place filled with stillness. It could be a lush forest, a crystal cavern, an untouched beach, or even an endless sky full of stars. Observe the surroundings with all 5 senses. Sight. Notice the shapes, colors, and lights. Hearing. What sounds do you hear? Touch. How does the air feel against your skin? Smell. Embrace the natural sense. And taste. Take in all that's around you. Now, allow this place to become tranquil, as if everything around you has disappeared into silence. Spend some time absorbing this tranquil energy within your mind's eye before shifting your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts and exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As each breath brings gentle relaxation throughout your body, notice how tension melts away from head to toe, as if each exhalation was releasing any accumulated stress from every part of you into this peaceful atmosphere around you. With each inhalation, take in fresh, calming energy, expanding awareness throughout your entire body until there is no trace of stress left behind. As relaxation continues to flow, settle into deeper states of rest by letting go completely into a state of deep, sleepy wakefulness. For each moment stretching ever so slowly until it's like time stands still. Nothing matters but being here right now, free from stressors and responsibilities. Just you and this peaceful moment all by itself forever. Now, think back on all that's happened today. Let go of any grudges or judgments. Release any emotions that are lingering in your mind, allowing them to be gently washed away by this tranquil energy surrounding you. Letting go of all the pressures and judgments you feel have been placed on you. Releasing all of it into open air, leaving them behind for you, never to return to them back again. Finally, sink even deeper than before, breathing out any remaining thoughts or worries, knowing that everything will work out exactly as it should. Relaxed contentment fills every cell inside you, completely replacing anything else with its soothing warmth before finally drifting away into blissful, dreamless sleep.